So beside you, there'll be a post, and we just touch that on the contactless point. So if you watch the bike, there we go, yeah. Perfect, thank you very much.
That's it?
Yep. Hold here, let him go first. And then in we come. Watch for cars here. We go. So through the cones to the right hand side, and then build up some speed on the gas. Under the bridge and left, as you know. Watch for faster cars and we'll be safe.
Okay.
To the right.
That's it?
And then on the gas, go, go, go. Nice. Down we come, that's it. To the right hand side. And then a small brake before the corner. Off the brakes now, turn in. That's it. And then tight right. No brakes, right?
No brakes?
Nope. Let the Megane come past, that's it. And there's a BMW on your left as well. And then turn in onto the gas, that's it. Here we go, nice. Turn in hard. Nice and tight, and then wide left. Here we go. Nice. Small brake here. Off the brakes, tight right. And then on the gas to the right hand side. At the top of the hill we'll brake.
Here?
Brake here, that's it. Off the brakes, turn in, watch for the fast car.
There is no.
And then on the gas down the hill. Into the apex, and then all the way left. Left, left, left. Brake here, off the brakes, onto the gas as we come in. That's it, nice. All the way left. No brakes, we're okay.
Wait,
Brake
there's a bike.
Yep. Let him come up the inside. And there's a car behind as well. A little bit of gas as we come through. Lovely, perfect. Keep doing that, that's really good. Nice and safe. Stay right. And then on the gas, follow the Mini. Lovely. In we come, nice and hard. And then on the gas again. Go, go, go. All the way left. Perfect. Brake here. Off we come. Tight right, keep coming, stay right for the Supra. And then on the gas down the hill. Lovely. Over the hill to the right, no brakes.
No brakes?
No brakes. There we go, left. And we're going to brake at the top.
Now?
Here. That's it.
Again brake?
Come. No brakes, we're okay.
brakes.
On the gas. Stay on the gas, that's it. Well done. Left, 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 no brakes.
Gas or?
Yeah, speed is good. It's whatever speed you're confident with. There we go. Over the hill and then brake.
Now?
Not yet. Brake here. Off the brakes, turn in. A little bit of gas as we come through.
Okay.
That's it, a little bit more. Perfect, stay left. And then brake down here. Off the brakes, come in, a little bit of gas as we come through. Really good, perfect. And then on the gas to the right. And then we drop down the hill, no brakes. Speed is okay. And then left again, no brakes. And we're going to brake at the bottom of the hill. Brake here. And come right, there's a fast car behind to come right. That's it, well done.
Wow,
Perfect.
this
Stay right for the bike as well. In we come. Really safe, well done, well done. In nice and tight. And stay right all the way through here. Stay right, stay right, stay right, stay right.
Right?
Now
Okay.
into left, go, go, go. That's it. And then on the gas hard. Nice. Stay on the gas all the way down here. Really good, well done. Over the hill and left. That's it, we're okay. Brake here. Off the brakes, turn in. A little bit of gas to the right. That's it, well done. And then brake here. Really turn in hard, lots of grip. And then gas to the apex. And and then left. That's it, keep going. And then brake here, stay left, stay left. In we come now. A little bit of gas on the exit. All the way out and back across. Really good, well done. Brake here, we're going to go left, right. That's it, nice. All the way left. Brake here, off. Keep turning and build up some speed. Keep coming, keep coming. Gas to the left, really good. Big brake here. Bit more. Tight right. And then a double left. That's it, a little bit of gas now. Really good, keep going. Excellent. All the way left. After the corner, we brake.
Off, right.
Not yet. Brake here. Off we come. Here we come. And then gas all the way through. That's it. Small brake. Off. And then hard gas. Go, 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 go. Stay right. Perfect. Over the hill, small brake. Brake here. Off. In we come. That's it. Brake at the side. Brake here. Stay left, stay left. Off the brake, stay left, stay left. Now coming.
Now?
Yep.
Oh, it's a late epic.
Yeah, and then on the gas. Go, go, go. Fast car on your left. Perfect. Keep going, really good. Left, left, left. Stay on the gas.
Full gas?
Yep, gas is good. Up to 180. Come right. Small brake. Off and then gas. All the way down. Go, go, go. It's clear behind. Keep going. Fast right. No brakes. Just lift and then gas. That's it. Well done. To the right. No brakes yet, no brakes. Just turn in.
No brakes?
Nope. Onto the gas. Go, go, go. That's it. All the way left. At the top of the hill, brake. Brake here, off, and then into the right, and then gas left. That's it, well done. Come right for the Porsche and a BMW. And then on the gas, follow them past the Volvo. That's it, onto the gas, you got it? Just take left. Well done. Straight. Brake here, and then down into the carousel. That's it. Nice. Keep going. And then onto the gas. Perfect. Keep going. All the way left. As we come right, small brake. Brake here, off, and then gas. That's it. All the way right.
What is this? Sign?
It's just, there's oil on the track, but we're okay. Come to the left. It says oil here. There you go.
Okay.
So all the way left. Small brake, off, and then in we come. Onto the gas slowly, and then gas left. That's it. Well done. Brake here. Off the brakes, turn in. No brakes here, just turn in. There we go. No brakes here, just turn in. And then on the gas to the left. Perfect. Brake at the bottom here. Off we come. So long right hander, keep turning, keep coming. And then gas down the hill. And brake here. Middle and then left. Really good. Small brake and then in we come. Stay right for the Porsche. Stay right for the Porsche. There we go. And then round the outside. Onto the gas. Go, go. All the way across. Yeah, well done. Brake here. Off the brakes, turning. A little bit of gas as we come through. And we're going to go right at the top. Long left, stay left, come past the Mercedes. Yep,
Past the Mercedes, okay.
Yep. Yeah, he's slow. Come down past the Tesla. Onto the gas, that's it. Nice. We're going to go go right, round the outside. Go, go, go. You've got this. A little bit more. And then we're going to go left at the top here.
There are many blind corners here.
Onto the gas hard. Go, go, go. And there's a blind left here as well. In we come. And then on the gas. Round the outside, you've got this. And then we're going to go straight in a second. Straight. There we go. Perfect. On the gas, down the left. Nice. Big brake at the end here, not yet.
Now?
Big brake. Off the brakes. Nice and tight. Go, go, go. There we go. Small brake, off. In we come, and then on the gas. Really good. Keep going. That yellow flag, bring your speed down, come round the outside. There we go, that's it. Do about 70 kilometres an hour.
70?
Yep, and stay left. When we come past the car, 50. So speed down. Stay left. There's a broken down car around the corner, so stay left.
Stay left.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. This is the speed?
Yeah, keep the speed for the minute. Stay left, stay left.
Wow. Very exciting experience.
And then come to the right and we're good. And that's it. So round that corner, we would usually stay round the outside, bringing up the speed on that last corner. But that was really, really good. Well done. Really smooth, very fast. Nice. Let me just turn this off.